Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Grow with Kit. So on this episode, we're going to make a start on the veg patch. I'm going to go with the no dig method. I'm going to try the no dig method anyway, at least. So I've got some cardboard. I've had the kids helping me collect loads of leaves. So the plan is just to do one bed at the moment. I'm just going to cover with cardboard, then do a big thick layer of leaves, and then put some tarpaulin over the top, weight it down and leave it till spring. So I'm going to crack on with that. I'll get back to you in a minute.
Show Dad then.
Okay, so we're picking up leaves to make some leaf compost. And I've roped in all four of the kids. So, mission leaf collect has begun.
I have more than you.
What you got? Get in there. Ebony? See how many we got? We got lots.
Daddy, after this, can I start my own YouTube channel?
Let's see.
Huh?
Let's see. Alright, so we're going to crack on.
I think I know how.
And we'll get
Daddy,
back
I
to you in a
know
bit.
how.
Alright, so I've been collecting leaves now with the kids for about an hour. They've all got bored and gone back indoors now. But this is what we managed to get so far. It doesn't even look like we made a dent, but we'll crack on. I'll see you in a sec. Hi everyone. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a start. I'm going to kind of try and go for a kind of a no dig. We'll see how it goes anyway. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to lay some cardboard down, and then I'm going to do a big thick layer of leaves, then put some tarpaulin over the top and just weigh it down with some stones or something, and leave it over the winter and see what it's like come spring. So I'm going to make a start on that. I will get back to you in a minute. Alright, so got about 8 inches, 9, 10 inches of leaves there. Thanks to the help of the kids for helping me to collect all them. So yeah, now all I'm going to do is stick a bit of tarpaulin over the top and leave it until spring. And in the spring I'll uncover it and hopefully it will be nice and composty and free of weeds. That's the plan. So I'll do a few more of them along there and see how it goes. This is just guesswork. I haven't really done any research on anything. So if anyone's got any pointers or tips, that'd be great. Yeah, so I'll cover that up and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, so that's bed 1 done for now. So I don't fancy digging over all this, so I'll try this way. See how it turns out in the spring. Just going to leave it now and see what happens. I'm hoping the cardboard will break down and the leaves will break down and the worms will drag it through the soil, and when I uncover it, it should be pretty much ready to plant in, hopefully. That's the plan anyway. So anyway, yeah, so what else can I show you? So we've got an apple tree. So I've just been bunging the apples in here. Compost. I know I shouldn't really put all that in there at once, but I'm not faffing around with compost. I'm just chuck it in and let nature do its thing. So, anyway, knackered now. I haven't even done that much. Right, anyway. Yeah, that's it for this episode anyway. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.